Did you stop it again?
No, I said it.
Oh.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Well, we're going to be doing a burping challenge.
Yes.
You see,
This
I
is
have
very ladylike.
very, very ladylike. As you see, I have Coke and she has cherry
Cola.
cola. Alright, here we go.
Oh gosh. Ew. I'm gonna do it. Fuck, I'm gonna do it back. That was a good one. I give that a 10. I give that a 10. Oh.
Oh gosh. I give that a 10.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Oh. I'm gonna give that one.
Oh my god.
Aren't we attractive when we're burping? I think so. Oh.
I didn't hear that one.
Loudest one yet. That's done.
It sounds so funny. That will be it. That was a burping challenge. Goodbye.